Live.
Oh my God, I never know if this is going to go live or not. I never know if it's working or it's not working or whatnot. So, here's the little barbecue pit over there. It's like, oh, it feels so delicious out here. I get that cool breeze. Yep.
Finish. Finish.
Try to do that.
Finish. Button.
Hopefully that would be a pretty good spread. Gotta keep the fire going here. Smaller one doesn't take that much to get it going. Because we have imported a lot of American fish traditions into Norway, so we have Black Friday, Halloween, so yes, a rush from Halloween to Black Friday to all kinds of celebration. Then we have Christmas, and it's always very Christmas if you are born with I was asking you about Brooklyn. Coming back to Brooklyn today, you saw anything. It's supposed to be just before. Yeah. Let's say it starts in what we call Parkland, which is from 1st of December. The first and then and then we should have some we have some really expensive cameras from IKEA. It was dressing in my apartment, which is an IKEA apartment. And then the first Sunday in October, we are old telephone book. We use this telephone book now. That's crazy. Then all of a sudden, we my people like, yeah. Well, I don't know the name of the area, but you know what you want to get and what you want to do. People just love traditions in Norway. They would just they go to church for the first time and they want to see. And they want to see it's called the service. The choir is there. The silver voice is there. The choir is choir. And they start singing the Christmas hymn. It'll take a while for it to catch. Meantime, my barbecue's going over here. Get that going, turn down one burner, have it on slow, do a temperature gauge on top. We need to get about 475. I'll get in the cooler going here. Pool is full with cold drinks and water. Let's do a shot. we know which is actually not
get it going.
the same discussion.
And after you get it going, it burns real fast.
We discuss Christmas trees and part of Christmas trees. You have pines and you have another part of yeah, so we love to discuss, shall we have that kind of wood or that kind of tree?
Alright, let's see what we got going on over here. Oh my God.
They go to be Christmas tree and
yeah, but you know, actually, these days, before it used to be only natural. Now it's more and more practical, I have to say. More and more, all over the place. People are buying it. I think it's a bit sad, but it's true.
okay, and we also have another recurrent discussion that's about how we do the translation with
Yeah, what is typical business food in Norway?
yeah, because we don't know the English word and in English think back.
There we got the neighbors leaving.
The Norwegian specialty called aquavit. Each Christmas you drink that
People in Norway, they tend to
But is it only a
gain 10 kilos.
but I think that's what is it only eat paper or
They also, and that's another discussion. We don't have that discussion because we have happens more or less like Christmas gifts. It's fish, corn, and it's sheep itself. And that's more like spare ribs in a way, but from sheep.
as long as
You should go down and mess around by the river.
And I grew up in sheep, on a sheep farm, and each morning I had to take out the urine and all the other things. And this kidney shut sheep rib, each year when they ate it and I smell it, it's like being from that farm again. Doing that.
Yeah, but we got that discussion. Oh, are you a liver man or are you a kidney man or are you a corn?
I'm a cost
And that,
and you are,
I'm a liver man.
and I am a cost And we also have actually another speciality in Christmas. We don't eat the Christmas Eve, but it's called smala hove, which actually is the sheep's head with eyes and legs and toes and everything. Have you tried it? Yes, yeah, what have you tried? It's very exotic.
And you also have this.
Yeah,
And really, that's a big tradition. We don't eat it at Christmas Eve, but we eat it. We have a lot of, like gatherings. And then you get the dish, and that's actually a fish. It's very acid, or some kind of acid, or it's really, the ingredients are poisonous, really poisonous, and it looks gray, and you put it in some.
it has a jelly
See if we got any viewers.
Comment section. Barbara. Flashlight choose. Flip camera. Creative tools. Button. Flashlight chooser. Invite. Invite to go live. Comment. Finish. Finish. Comment. Invite to go live with. Button. Comment section. Wenchfall is watching.
Well, hey.
Connection available. Comment section. Wenchfall. Barbara Vold is watching.
Hey.
Formats. Button.
At least I got two of my
Creative
family
tools.
members.
Button. Flip camera. Back facing. Button.
See that white truck over there? Yeah, I love my truck. Then we got like a nice little green area over here. It's like oh my God, let's go down to the woods here. Do you think it's safe to leave that fire? It's not burning so good. Rained. Rained. I think we should be able to get that going. Alright, let's go to the river here. Like, watch out for the bushes. Then we come over here by the river. You know, somebody needs to tell me, like, they asked me on my passport application what was Radar's Vold maiden name. Like, somebody needs to answer that. Like, I took a, what was it, Mukkelbook? And look, oh my God, look at how big them trees are. Yep. Pretty nice little area right here. It's like close to the park. Then down here, of course, we got the river. That's too far to go though, but you can see it. Got some good fish in there, but you don't eat them. Don't eat them fish, but it's a nice place. So this is kind of where I'm staying right now. I wish it was bigger, but you know, it's not bad. Then we're gonna go see if we can go live camera here. So now we're going back to that place. And I can only look at you, or I can look at where I'm going. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Over there is, you know, kind of where I come from. So we're gonna go around the easy way. Trying to tighten the screws on my tripod. Alright, let's see who that is. God, I don't like that water hill. Like that water right there. Like it's muddy over there. And when you come out here in the winter time, it's like super ice. Because, you know, all the water comes from over there. And it comes from over the roof. Yeah, it comes from the roofs. That same, see, that used to be my old apartment, but now I'm down here on the first floor. All right, well, let's do, here's the parking lot. Let's see who's watching.
Invite, but invite to go, comment, finish, comment, invite, flashlight choose, flip camera, creative tools, formats, comment section. Winchfall is watching. Connection available. Comment section. Winchfall is watching.
Oh, I only got one. Here's my pickup truck. Yeah. Look, here's my pickup truck. Yeah. Oh my God, everybody should be here in a little bit. And then, like, I gotta cook all the food. So here's one of my little trees. Yeah. Like, I put that tree over here. Like, I put that tree over here. it's growing pretty good. Growing pretty good. Okay, here we get back to my apartment, and it's like, here's the flower bed. Yep. Oh, there's the cooler with the good stuff. There's my other barbecue. It's like, this is not going so good. Takes a long time to get them coals. I think we're gonna put that on a tripod. And water's gonna go live as long as YouTube can go live. It's gonna be completely disgusting and completely awesome, because we never know when that stuff is gonna stop working. Might not be able to hear what we're saying and stuff like that, but you know, at least you get in the frame there. Looks about right. We gotta get the fire going. Don't really want a bigger fire, because then it's going to get too cold. It's going to take a while. That's why I got my little chair. And I can sit and take a break. Come up here and watch the fire burn. Oh, this is like live TV. So about time to take a break from this. It's like, I'll see you guys soon. Maybe like another hour. There's probably nobody watching.
Comment section. Formats. But winch connection available. Comment section. Winch connect 1 viewers. Live. 1 view connection available. Comment section. Barbro Vold is what? Formats. Button. Creative tools. Button.
Okay,
Flip camera. Flashlight
people.
chooser. Flash invite. Button. Invite to go live with. Invite.
Let's see
Button.
what that does.
Invite. Close. Button. Close. Button. Live. Close. Close. Button. Live. 1 viewers. Live. 1 invite. Search. All. Search. Text field. Invite friends to watch. Invite friends to watch. Close. Button. Close. Live. Close. Button.
Doesn't
Close.
work.
Close. Live. Close. Button. Live. Close. Button. Close. Close. Button. Close. Live. 1 viewers. Invite friends to search. All friends. Cambry Stormy Casilini Purdy. Button.
Oh,
Cambry invite. Dimmed. Catherine's invite. Catherine Selena Warren. Invite. Dimmed. Jenny Ball. Button. Invite. Helen Commodore. Button. Invite. Ann Sigorin. Button. Invite. Homero Martho Jr. Invite. Invite. Joanna Lindhorn. Joanna. Invite. Dimmed. Invite. Mara Day. Fisco. Invite. Dimmed. Megan Awesome Noise. Invite. Dimmed. Donna Miller. Button. Donna. Invite. Dimmed. Tamika Clark. Button. Invite. Marianne Vetterhus. Button. Mary. Invite. Dimmed. Invite. Diane Wallace. Invite. Dimmed. Invite. Wenchval. Button. Wenchval. Invite. Dimmed. Close. Button. Close. Button. Close. Button. Invite. Dimmed. Close. Button. Close. Close. Button. Close. Close. Button. Close. Button. Close. Live. 1 viewers. Invite friends to watch. Search. Text field. All friends. Search. Text field. All Cambry Storm. Invite. Cambry Stormy Casilini Purdy. Button. Invite. Invite. Dimmed. Catherine Selena Warren. Invite. Jenny Ball. Invite. Dimmed. Button.
All right, let's see if we can raise this. It's one of them things like, you know, when I was in high school, I took photography and then I took video and then, like, you know, oops. Gonna be so much more to get that fire going. Okay, so here's the problem. Like, you can't do it on the first burn. You go to the second burn. Yep.
Close. Button. Close. Live. 1 viewers. Invite friends to search. All friends. Cambry Stormy Casilini. Invite. Dimmed. Catherine Selena. Close. Button. Close. 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 Live. 1 viewers. Invite friends to search. Close. Button.
Oh my God, how do you
Close.
stop
Button. Close. Button. Close. Close. Button. Live. Close. Button. Close. Live. 1 viewers. Invite friends to watch. Heading. Search. All friends. Heading. Cambry. Invite. Dim. Catherine. Invite. Close. Button. Facebook. Close. Button. Close. Live. Facebook. Active. Facebook. Active. Facebook. Facebook. Active. Facebook. Active. Close. Button. Close. 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 Live. Close. Live. 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 Matthews Lassay is watching.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Barbara Vold is watching. Wenchball is watching. 1 viewers.
Oh, I got
Live.
2 or 3.
Live. 1 comment. Cap.
Oh, yeah.
Barbara.
I was
Matthews
trying to
Lassay.
hang up
Cap
so I
M.
can get
Matthews
the
Lassay.
fire
Formats.
going.
Creative tool. Flip camera. Flashlight chooser. Invite. Invite to go. Comment. Finish. Finish. Comment.
there's
Finish.
finish.
Button.